Hey everyone, so today I'm just going to talk through an annoying issue that I faced on Arch Linux. So my issue was I would get no sound after installing a certain package, which in my case was Hyperland. So I thought I'd make this quick video on what to do if you have no audio. So I'm keeping this open the entire time I'm recording for the entire duration, given that most people who are watching this have no audio. So the first thing you should do is check if you have Pulse Audio or Pipewire installed or another sound server. So that's fairly easy to do. You should already know that. If you don't, you can follow the Arch wiki. So essentially all you have to do here is sudo pacman -s Pulse Audio, or you can install Pipewire and all these packages. I'll leave a link there. You can just follow the Arch wiki, I have that written there. So check AlsaMixer is the next. So you just need alsa-utils for this, I believe, and you just select your sound card, which in my case is this one. Right, so just make sure that you have those green zeros and that auto mute is disabled. Third, you can essentially just check it using the systemctl status your audio server. Fourth, and this was my particular issue, is that you can flash your BIOS, which in my case fixed it. I should actually add a fifth one here. Install sof-firmware. So with some Intel CPUs, oops, I'm actually not in a file. You actually need to install this package, so you can do that by sof-firmware. And that's pretty much all I know about this issue. Maybe if you're having more difficulties with it, someone in the comments might help you. And I will leave a few details in the description on how to fix this issue. Thanks very much. I hope this saved you a lot of time and frustration. I know it would have if I had a video like this, given that I had to update the BIOS. It's not something you think about really in terms of a sound issue, but I hope this helped someone, and leave a like and subscribe if it did. Thanks very much, guys. I appreciate the watch.